This week, we embark on an exploration of the sensual spirit found in the paintings of Paul Delvaux. He was a Belgian artist known for his bold and innovative fusion of dream and mythology with female figures. Paul Delvaux lived between the years 1897 and 1994. My intention here is to explore the techniques and concepts that make Delvaux's art so captivating. Learning to paint sensual works inspired by Paul Delvaux can be an enchanting journey into the depth of sensuality and artistic expression. Delvaux's style characterizes by his vibrant colors and evocative forms that invites artists to explore the human body and its emotions with reverence and boldness. While most artists paint human figures in their natural state, Delvaux's figures possess a fluidity that invites the gaze to linger on the curves, shadows, and the interplay of light. This fluidity creates an intimacy that draws the viewer into a world where the body is a subject of desire and a canvas of emotion. Delvaux's art often reflects a fascination with the past and the subconsciousness, combining elements of realism with fantasy. His palette is rich with evocative, using deep reds, soft blushes, and golden ambers to create warmth and comfort. These hues enhance the physicality of the figures while evoking emotions tied to love and longing. He allows the colors to blend and interact on the canvas to create an instinctive experience that mimics the warmth of skin. Notice the way Delvaux masterfully manipulates light and shadow by employing chiaroscuro techniques. He creates dramatic contrasts that highlights the curves and angles of the body. Shadows caress the skin, suggesting hidden desires, while light accentuates beauty and adds depth and dimension to his paintings. Pay attention to Delvaux's gestures and poses of the figures. He carefully chooses poses that convey vulnerability and allure. Figures often appear in relaxed yet suggestive positions, evoking intimacy as if sharing a private moment with the viewer. This is how he allows his figures to communicate tenderness and desire. Delvaux incorporates various techniques to add depth and texture to his paintings. His textural richness invites our eyes to travel across the surface and discover tones and details that enhance the overall experience. Delvaux's art tells a story of desire, intimacy, and connection. Each painting feels like a glimpse into a moment suspended in time where emotions are bare open. We learn from this to let our figures share their stories of love and longing, creating a shared intimacy that goes beyond the canvas. Through his paintings, Delvaux explores his own personal themes of desire. He embraces his vulnerabilities by allowing his emotion to enlighten his work. This way, he breathes life into his paintings. Paul Delvaux was born in Antwerp, Belgium. He initially studied architecture before turning to painting. He became well known in the 1930s, and his paintings gained international recognition. He participated in numerous exhibitions, including the Venice Biennale. Delvaux's style is characterized by meticulous details and a dreamlike quality, often featuring classical ruins and mysterious, enigmatic women in his compositions. His legacy endures through his contributions to modern art. He maintains a significant figure in the Surrealist movement. To paint erotic works inspired by Paul Delvaux is not just about technique, it's about connecting with the viewer on a profound level. We learn from him to embrace our journey, explore our creativity, and let our passion flow onto the canvas. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more artistic explorations. In case you'd like to learn about the painting technique of your favorite artists, please let me know below.